YouTube, what it do? You are now rocking with your favorite online fitness coach, Coach Perk from athletically.com, where we help you to become athletically built within 12 weeks. And I'm coming back at you with another video. And today's topic is why you should stop doing planks. So lock in, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the other side. Personally, I don't have a problem with planks. They're great for stabilizing the core, which can in return help you build a stronger set of abs, allowing you to do more difficult movements. But what I do have a problem with is how they're used within a fitness program. If you can hold a standard static plank for more than a minute, then there's no point in doing planks anymore. For most people, it just ends up being a shoulder workout more than a core workout. And that's the main issue I have, because there's no progression involved. And if you want to begin to get stronger, you have to start doing more difficult exercises that challenge you, like doing different variations of planks. I see way too many people in the gym for 5 to 6 months still doing standard static planks, thinking they're going to get a six-pack. And the truth is, they're not. As I stated before, planks are a stabilization exercise. So once you reach the point where it's no longer challenging, then you're literally wasting your time. So that brings me to the next part of the video. What can you do to make planks more challenging? Well, now that you have built up the stabilizing muscles of the core, it's time to build strength and make this simple exercise more difficult to perform. The first exercise that we're going to take a look at is the long lever plank. Start out in a push-up position, then slowly walk both hands forward so now that your hands are in front of your shoulders. And then find the point to where it's most difficult and hold that position. You should also do this while maintaining a flat back and keeping your head in line with your tailbone. And as you progress, you will be able to move your hands out further to make this exercise more difficult. The next exercise is the anti-rotation plank. Start out in a push-up position, then bring both feet out wide so that you have a nice and stable base. Then bring one arm off the ground and place it at your side and hold that position for 30 to 60 seconds and feel how much more difficult that is than a standard plank. Next is the offset plank. Start out in a push-up position and then bring both feet apart so now that you have a wide base. And then slowly bring one hand off the ground while simultaneously bringing the opposite leg off the ground and hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. This plank variation makes it that much more difficult because you only have two limbs in contact with the ground. As you can see, these 3 plank variations can take your core to the next level. You just have to be willing to challenge yourself and move out of your comfort zone. I want to thank you for making it to the end of the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which one of these you're going to try in your next workout, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.